Hello everybody and welcome back to my workshop. Today's workshop is going to be about Patina collection. Patina paint is one of my favorite things to do because it creates this beautiful rust. What I do really like about Patina collection is that you apply paint, spray some sprayer that activates the chemistry behind it, and you leave, you come a couple hours later and you have this beautiful rust right in front of your eyes. It looks very realistic. I personally love aging and creating rust, and this is one of my favorite products. It does have the sprayer that activates the paint and it does come in a green and blue, but personally I only always use green. The difference between green and blue sprayer is that green sprayer is going to give you more of a green look and blue sprayer is going to give you more of a blue look. Let me show you how I created this rust. If you're going to use Patina collection on metal, which you can, the first thing you want to apply is a prime start. Today we'll be working on wood, and in that case what you want to do is apply one coat of Dixie Belle paint. I will be using Palmetto color. Now that our paint is dry, I will be applying Patina paint using these cheap and expensive brushes. You want to make sure to shake it well. On this side, I'm going to tap it on and I'm going to create a little bit of texture while I'm applying it. On this side, I'm going to apply it smoothly, just going back and forth. Now that we have our first coat, we're going to let this dry and come back for another coat. As soon as you're finished with the second coat, you're going to spray some Patina sprayer. Make sure to shake it well and spray it while your second coat is wet. This is bronze, copper and iron, and for bronze and copper I just like to put a splash of the sprayer, where for iron I love to put a lot of the sprayer. Dixie Belle makes a protection for this called Patina Guard, but you can use anything to protect this. I always use gator hide or wax. Now you know how to create rust with Patina paint. I hope you enjoyed this workshop. I will see you in the next one.